Hello, this is an update on Dash Coin, and Dash is going places. We are in the midst of a powerful rally at this moment, and right now our larger picture parameters are still set in stone and looking good. If you recall from our last update, I have counted what I'm calling a large three-wave rally that topped in late 2017, early 2018. This is reminiscent of Bitcoin and Ethereum's rallies that also coincide at the same time. And our pullback in March of 2020 was a clear long-term bottom, and I'm calling that a wave 4. Our retrace percentage matches up appropriately based on the Fibonacci ratios that we prefer to follow. And ever since then, we have been rallying, and our rally up into early 2021 is what I'm calling a wave 1. And we've had nearly a 61.8% retrace for our wave 2. Ever since then, we've been rallying, and what I'm calling this rally is a 1-2 on our smaller picture. So just like with all the other cryptocurrencies, we have rallied in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave rally. I'm calling that complete. And I am also presuming that our wave 2 pullback is complete as well. It's not as obvious in Dash Coin, but in many of the other cryptos, we have rallied powerfully past the top of our wave 1 top. Ethereum is a great example of that, along with some of the other cryptos across the crypto universe. Our old support of 176 still is present. I don't see this as being relevant to our analysis at this time. So if you're trying to buy some Dash, if you would like to have a position, it's still a great time to buy. We're very close to this purple box that is displayed here. I don't see us swinging back down to that box, but do not be surprised if we do have one swing lower. But again, I'm not seeing that as a high probability at this time. Provided that we hold this wave 2 bottom that we have, we'll have a confirmation once we not only pass the previous peak, but once we clear the 0.618 peak. In Elliott Waves, once you cross the 0.618 extension and get to the 0.6764 extension, that 0.618 becomes a support. So any pullbacks from that point would not get back down below 325. Assuming we get through all that, our wave 3 in this micro time scale takes us to somewhere between 458 and almost $500 after a fourth wave consolidation. Ultimately, this larger wave 1 should take us between $525 and $565, $566. So 566 would be the top. And of course, this larger wave 1 is marked with a Roman numeral 1, which allows us to compare it to the big picture, which is again on a day-by-day scale. And based on that target, about 565, 570, that puts us squarely inside of the target range for a larger wave 1. So we're looking pretty good here. Larger wave 1 would be falling between 278 and 516. So if we hit anywhere near the 0.618 extension, that means that our overall pattern could be even crazier than we thought previously. So right now, our wave 3, actually, before I jump too far ahead, once that wave 1 completes, the larger wave 1 should have one more buying opportunity on the subsequent wave 2, larger wave 2. And then we're going to have a crazy dash into the heavens. 1406 would be the minimum target for that wave 3. However, if we have the more bullish pattern in place, we may see as high as 2600 plus on the third wave alone. So if that happened, our subsequent extensions would be even crazier. After fourth wave pullback, our wave 3 would hit somewhere between 3,800 and 7,115. I know that's a crazy target. That is where our 13, 14, 15x returns would possibly come from, just on the wave 3 alone. If we can hold a proper corrective fourth wave pullback in the big picture, our fifth wave would top out somewhere north of $8,000, $9,000. That's where the 35x plus returns come from. So a lot of excitement in Dash, and just FYI, I have been holding Dash and it has been my most lucrative crypto so far. I've more than doubled my position since I bought, and some of the timing was very fortuitous because I bought it near the bottom of our what I'm calling our wave 2. So again, not too late to buy, good one to go into. Love to hear your comments below. Thank you for watching and happy trading.